Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export selected clips in CapCut PC. For instance, you want to start exporting this part only of the clip here, where she's still kind of like alone. So you're just going to split the clip that you want to delete, right click the clip, export selected clips, and then here you can adjust the resolution, etc, etc. Then you are going to select export. Then that is pretty much it. It is that simple now to export just the selected clip. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!